walking and tracking your steps is such a trend these days. What's behind this trend? So I researched a lot from many sources that just walking alone can do wonders for your body. Walking regulates our blood sugar, and walking also helps with the health of our heart, lungs, veins, and arteries. Walking helps with bone health, and the best part is that because we are standing straight and walking, so we are against gravity, and that's why walking also helps us with digestion. So this makes sense why so many people are walking and tracking their steps. Trackers are in the market in various forms. They are worn in the form of watches, they are clipped on clothes as well. But I like to keep my hand free. So again, I researched on the Android market and found so many very interesting such apps. Similar apps are there on iOS as well. Welcome to episode 26, a review of a step tracking app that will track our steps, track calories burned, and much more. So this is the Pedometer app that I have downloaded from Play Store, Android, in the Android market, and as soon as I logged in, it's already showing me steps. So I'm going to just go to the beginning and I will click on reset today, so that whatever I had entered, it's just going to blank itself. Installing this from the Play Store, Pedometer. It says welcome, and Pedometer can count your steps in the background. So you can either carry it in your hand, you don't need to wear it like any of those wearable technologies. You can just, the phone is with you in any case. So it's either in your hand or in your pocket or even in your purse. And if you want, you can have this on the home screen. Even otherwise, it's working on the background. So we just click on next, and you can set a goal that you want to set. Like if you want to set 10,000 steps for the day, there's kilometers. Fill your height and your exact weight and your age. And gender, it's your profile details are entered, and there are the app senses, and based on that you might face some ads. Just skip them. Everything in this app is free. The best part I liked about this app is it's also 100% private. That means that they're not going to share your data anywhere else with a third party. And as I said, it's also not very battery intensive. It's not using GPS and things like that. So it just says battery permission required. So you click OK, allow. So it's already begun. Now, as and when you take steps, this value will keep increasing. You can also click on the triangle. If you wish to reset whatever steps have been entered, the way I did, click on reset, and it will reset today's step from as a blank. You can observe in the last 7 days, in the last 30 days, and everything. So going back, the best part I found about this is also that if you click on achievements, you have to sign in with the Google account. This is optional, but it is a fun thing. So what it allows you to do is you can compare yourself, the steps you are taking, with people like you, your age, your gender, height and weight all over the world, those who've registered. So it just sort of motivates you. If you click on the leaderboard, it's showing you various achievements related to walking. And if you click on achievements, people all over the world of your age, gender, height, and weight, what's the average highest walk of all time? So you will be somewhere here and you will know how you are doing. You have to log in with Google, of course, but then you can just have a name. Then most steps walked, same way, and also most steps of today. In today's day, where do you stand amongst people of that age? Moving on, at the bottom, there is a very interesting thing I found with the two eyes. If you click on this, there are these very interesting eye exercises. We are always, all the time, staring at screens, looking at our laptops or phones. So we definitely need some kind of eye exercise. There is not one, not two, not three, but 9 such exercises, and all very interesting. Like if you click on the leaf walk, just click next. So you just keep looking at the leaf as it goes, and you are automatically exercising your eyes. So each of these exercises is yoga for the eyes. So you're supposed to look at the centers of the flowers in this case. And that really exercises you. Eye moves. Rotating your eyes up and down, left, right. We all know this, but where do we do it? We're all too busy in our lives. So this just helps. That you should blink and breathe. It's prompting every single thing. Then if you want, you can display the steps widget in the home screen as well. So I clicked yes and it came on my home. I have to admit, while reviewing this app and using it, I have felt the difference. I feel light. I feel this confidence boost. Overall, I feel healthy. Please do share and let me know in the comments section if you come across such apps that we can share with each other that can boost our health. Subscribe and stay tuned for another interesting tech update. See you soon.